Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to set up your Twitch TV stream using Streamlabs. It's fairly simple. Only thing you really have to use is Streamlabs itself, and widgets that are available internally on the for effects such as stream chat or an alert box, such as when you get like a follower or a subscriber. Cool. So I'm gonna go in detail to this in here. Um, I would say the first you want to set up is probably like an AFK screen. So you can do that with an image. And me, I have this Tetsuo image. So this is what I'm gonna use is like the AFK screen. Just a full set. And you want to disable it unless you're obviously going AFK screen. So there's that. Next, you might want to set up your alert box. Me, I have alert box set up already. This you can do, let's see, I'll try to make one from scratch first. And you would just go in here and you would basically put it to what you want. As, for example, this default is this subs differently as variation. Zombie running. Yeah, I have it as a golden N64 controller because I think it's cool. Yeah, no, different things. You can do. Okay. You can also test the alert box. For example, this should show up. See? Pretty
This
cool.
is a test.
Yeah, okay, so we got the AFK screen, the box. Next thing you want to do, you could set up your webcam through Streamlabs. Me though, I personally like using Skype as a way to set up my webcam. Because it has a cool green screen that you can just utilize. Skype account. Here, you go into settings, close out this tab, go to audio and video, and click on the green screen right here. Should I think because Streamlabs. But it should green screen your background, so it should work. It's just not popping up because it did not. You have to launch Skype first before Streamlabs for this to show up here. Keep that in mind. And to set it up, you would do window capture right here. Add a new source. Click on Skype. Then you're gonna have to edit it. Properties. Oh wait, no, sorry, not in properties. I believe it's in transform. No. I think you have to go to filters. Yeah, you have to go to filters and you have to crop it. You're gonna play with these numbers until it fits the little box. Just want the little Yep, just like that. Pull the box. Then you would put your anywhere on the screen. Right now I have a black box. Picked up, like I said, you want to launch Skype before you run Streamlabs because Streamlabs prioritize access. So window capture, we'll rename this as webcam. That will be okay. Say you want something like, I don't know, a follower goal. Here we go. This is one I've pre-made. I'll go in and make, basically put whatever thing you want to. Goal. Follow for clout. 69 followers in X amount of days. Have it. Colors. Or thickness. Size. Yep. Thing under. I like putting that under the webcam. Oh, there we go. Make me small enough as webcam. Next, you might want to record a game. The easiest way I do this is with game capture. I have a list of different games that I will put in. So Dota 2, for example, Valheim, Killing Floor 2, and 60. I guess I'll add another new one. Auto, you could put auto. You could capture any full screen, capture a specific window. Don't know what that option is, but yeah, I usually put on auto. It usually does the trick. Leave it on normal. Bam, got RuneScape up there. Cool. Gonna hide that for now. And I think that's about it. I guess if you want to add a chat box. Yeah, as is. I like which you can put that wherever. You can put that on the left side, you can put that here. It'll only pop up when there's actual text being written. Get there is. I think that's it though. That's about it. Yeah, that's how I set up my stream. Yeah, pretty simple. I leave it kind of basic just because like I don't like adding too many things to block the gameplay. Like too many things. Like keeping it. I like keeping it nice and simple. So that's about it. If you have any questions, let me know. But that should be all. Yeah. Have a good one. Take care. Fresh air.